So hurricane or tropical storm Ian giving us some rain here. So Femitech is now in Bagol. We're actually in Bagol, border between Clarendon and Senton. Just giving you an idea as to what is going on here in terms of the amount of rain that we're getting. We would have been getting some rain from yesterday, that's Sunday. So now it's Monday morning, 25th. Right, so Sunday morning, Monday morning I should actually say. So really getting some rain. Some schools already announced that they're not gonna open for face-to-face classes today. So the time now is 6:36 a.m. in the morning. Femitech just giving you an idea as to what is taking place in terms of the rain. Dark. Just giving you a stuff. Right, so it's really dark here. So as you can see, really dark. It's really dark. So right here, the sky there overlooking Senton. So a lot of rain actually falling. A lot of rain. I mean, it's not pouring heavily but steadily. And if it should continue, just giving you an idea. So that's the pond here in Bagol. That's where the fish, that's where the farmers get water when the time is dry. I'm quite sure that if the rain should continue until tomorrow, definitely you're gonna see that fan taking some water. Once the water come from places like Douglas Castle, right? So that is the situation now in Bagol. Yes, the rain is falling, but in terms of flooding or water in the ponds, definitely at normal level.